Oh, good Thursday evening. In case you were wondering, as I've been talking about, well, the video is in the video, you will see that prior to this point, we were talking about snow moving in. I don't know if you can see it falling, but we have this light, very light. There you go. Now you can kind of sort of see it. Snow has started, so it's supposed to snow overnight tonight, and we didn't get the toys up. And then there's not, so it's going to make tomorrow morning interesting, and then we're supposed to get more snow on Sunday. So, but weather event has started, so I just came out here to show you that, yeah, it's happening, and aren't we so happy about it? I was ready to have spring, and because it's March, we got to have at least one more winter. Hopefully, with this coming in now, maybe we won't have any more snow in April, and we can get on with things. Anyway, oh look, they're right here. They want to come out. Mr. Chaos, come out. It's doing your favorite thing. It's snowing. Isn't it, my? Yep, it's coming. So, just thought I'd share. I'll keep you posted. Let's see if we can see the snows on the puppies. It's still snowing outside. It's going to snow all night. Let's turn the light on. Can we still see the snows on Mr. Chaos? Yeah, they're starting to melt, but you can see the snows on the Chaos. Can't see them on my. Oh, time to take a little circle. Circle, spin, spinny spin. Lower the little butt. And look. The cuteness of the puppies together. Oh, we'll take a picture. Boop. They're so cute together. And here you can see it's gotten more snowy. Yeah. Yay. Well, they'll enjoy it. Yay! More white stuff. Oh well, it's March. Oh guys, is it March? Is it March, my life? Oh, you guys in for the night now? You guys gonna run outside and play in the morning? Okay, night. So, good evening. Ignore the TV, but I just wanted to show you where the puppies are, and then we'll go take a look at the snow. So, we got one little puppy in this little cubby hole here. This is her little cubby hole. And then the other bubster, sweet boy that he is right up here. See? Mr. Chaos. In there, and here you can see it's really coming down and starting to what is that, maybe half an inch on the table. I think I hear my Chris coming home, but just so you can, what is that purple gold? Maybe that's my phone, but anyway, yeah, it's really coming. So that's all for now. Good Friday morning, as you can tell by looking at Mr. Chaos and the ground, is that we have snow. We got maybe a couple inches today. I'm out here wearing boots with holes in the back of them because it's the only thing I can wear that won't hurt my foot. Here's a good look so you can see we got a couple inches. Mr. Chaos is just lying out here in the snow, and he just kind of seemed anxious for me to come out in the snow. What do you think, Miss Mai? What do you think of the fresh snow? I know it's your favoriteest thing. Is it your favoriteest thing? Seriously, did I just come out here to stand on the deck with you guys or something? I thought maybe you guys go play. Look at this. The snow is so fluffy. It's this dry, fluffy, powdery snow. It's kind of pretty. Oh, chaos. She wants to play in the snow. Go play. Oh, we got the tail again. Going for the tail. Is that too close? You're too close. You're too close. Is that all the play that you guys have? I know you're waiting for Daddy to finish. Oh, paw attack. Years back, paw attack. Oh. Attack of opportunity. Go in while he's trying to take care of him. Chris is out there shoveling the walk and driveway before they do their morning W. Come on, guys, go play. Go play. Go play in the snow. What's that foot? What's the matter, Cass? Morning wrestle time. She's just going to attack your tail, Cass. You should just go play. Just go play, Chaos. Go play. Now go play with your sister. Go beat each other up. Burn off some morning energy. Come on. The Cardinals are out this morning. Here's her yard. Oh, winter fight again. You wouldn't be able to tell it's snowing unless you looked at the light, and you can see it there. Now here I thought they'd come outside and really be playful for you guys this morning, and they're just doing this number. I think they know that it's W time and they're waiting for Daddy to finish, so they're restless. Anyhow, I know you guys are antsy. You feel like it's your W time. Look at how pretty the snows are on his black coat. We'll pop down. We gotta check to see if there's anything under the deck. Yeah, I can tell my foot's starting to get uncomfortable being up this morning. I haven't taken any Tylenol for it today. I can just tell that part of my foot where I actually rolled it and smushed it is the part that's aching. Come on. Oh, Daddy's done. Come on, guys. Hello. It's still. Oh, you got to party the hose. Is that the old hose? Do you like? Is that fun? Is that fun? It's still Friday morning. Jacob has. What are you? Are you seriously? Okay, they think the hose is a toy. Look at this. They're gonna play tug. Get it, Chaos. Get it. Oh, she took it from him. Oh, she's distracted by him. He's doing stuff with the garbage can. Get it, Chaos. As you can see, the snow is slowing down for now. We're supposed to get more. So, but I don't think there's supposed to be a lot until Sunday when there's another storm coming through. So. Today my foot kind of is in this dull, achy, healing type of discomfort. So, what is it, Chaos? What you sniffing? What you sniffing? What is it? Anyhow, she's got the hose in her mouth because this one always has, oh no, she let it go. Always usually has to have something in her mouth. This one, I don't know what he's doing. What you doing? I don't have everything. But I would think you guys would want to just tear through this yard with the snow. What, you want her to play? Get her. Chaos. You want her to play? You want her to play? I told you. Play? Miley, why aren't you playing with him? Clearly, he wants to play tug, and you're not tugging. Oh, bud. Are you just the most handsomest thing ever? You are so incredibly handsome and sweet. Look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this. This is such a handsome face. Yes, he's so sweet. Yeah, he's my sweet Chaos. I came outside to try to get you guys playing, and all you do is lie here on the deck. Really, this is it. You're not gonna roll and be cute in the snow. You're just gonna be like this. You know, I came out here to do stuff. Okay, maybe if I come out in the yard. Oh, that's me with my foot. Okay, I can't come out too far because these boots are the only boots I can wear, but they're ripping at the heels, so I'm going to get snow in there. So, okay, they're not following me. So, with that, I'm going to turn around and go back inside because I only came out because they seemed like they wanted me to come out so they would play, but now they're just being, tired Huskies. Are you a tired Husky? Is that even a thing? Anyhow, I'm going back in. These boots are not going to be conducive to outside play.
Just stand there, go beat on it. You stand with them. No wonder they don't do anything with it. You come out here with your phone.
Hi, Miss Bye Bye. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Gonna get you. Say good morning. Say good mornings. Good mornings. Good mornings. Good mornings. Look at this cute face. Look at this cute. Look at cuteness. Check out my cuteness. Check out my cuteness. Is this your little butterfly? Is this your butterfly? Is this the butterfly? What is it, by my? Chaos is there. It's Sunday morning. Is it Sunday? Is it kind of sort of snowing? It's trying to. What's up, Bubby? What's up, my? What's up? What's up? Bubsters. Bubsters. Waiting for the big snow. Waiting for the big... She's coming to you with the rope. What's up, Bubsters? We're all waiting for this big snow. It's starting to snow already, so who knows what the day will bring. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so you guys, the snow did move in here. Look, you can see. I'll open the door. I'm not going to go out, but you can see, maybe you can see that it's, I don't know if you can tell. Oof, getting snow blowing back in my face as I'm sitting here. Ooh, look, see, it's blowing. Here they are. Look, you're all covered with the snow. Now, I'll say that normally, oh, Chaos is coming in. See, look, he's covered with the snow. Normally, this would like be really gross to me, but it is the end of March, and most of the snow that we got, like Thursday into Friday, is pretty much gone. Oh, what's up, bub? So, it is coming down. We're supposed to get a lot more it probably won't hang around nearly as long. Oh, Mr. Chaos wants a snacky. Give him a snacky. See, these are the Bark Box Moo Moo's jerky bars. Which of course are sealed shut, so. Oh, and you can see Miss Miley maybe sticking her head in here. I gotta put the phone down for a second. Sorry. It's gonna be black until I get these out. So, here's what the jerky bars look like. Can you sit? Can you sit? Good boy. We'll go give one to Miss Miley here. They just came back from their walk. Here we go. Miss Miley, here, take it. Yep, so these are the treats that came in this month's Bark Box. There's the Fruity Booties, the Moo Moo Jerky Bars, and the Frosted Socks. They're, not sock shaped, they're circle shaped, but they do have frosting on it. So those were the treats that came in the mail. So with the Bark Box, which is, boxes down there. Excuse our garbage. But anyway, that's what's going on today. We stayed home. I didn't go to St. George's for church. I watched it. So anyhow, that's what's going on. She's still out there. No, she's left. Oh, excuse you. Yes, you're so handsome. Here, let's take a picture. Okay, that's what's going on. So I'll keep you posted. I'll show you what my husband's out there. You can't see him through our door. Or maybe you can right there. Shoveling now that it's really started to come down. So stay tuned. Good Monday morning. It's probably not even 7, but I just wanted to show you where we're at with the snow. So, as you can see, it's quite white. We got a good dose of snow. We really did need the moisture. I would have preferred rain, which it's supposed to do rain showers today. I don't know where the guys just ran off to. Oh, I see them. They're by the shed. There was something that was over by the shed that they're smelling. So, here she comes, bounding through snow. Oh, typical husky. Right, my? You a typical husky? You can see, by the way, Chaos is walking, how deep it is out there. This is probably the most snow we've had at any point. These guys should love it. Chris is out shoveling. Come on, guys, go play. Or not. Well, they hit a little bit, but anyway, you can see he got quite a bit. Hopefully, this will be the last spring snowstorm that we'll get. It'll be not as much snow, and we do get more, hopefully it'll be more rain. Just like I said, we're supposed to get rain showers today, so. Anyway. What's up, Bubby? Daddy's out shoveling. Daddy's out shoveling. Try to take a walk through the yard. I don't know if you can tell, but her fur is just sopping. She's just drenched. And my foot still hurts. Ugh. Don't know why I'm being foolish, because these boots have rips in them, but anyhow. kind of hoping that coming out into the yard would get the dogs out again. But they just know that it's walk time, and they know that that's not what's happening because Chris is shoveling first. Hi, Mr. Chaos. You're not so bad. You're not as wet as your sister. Yeah, he's gonna go back to. Yeah, they're gonna go back to the shed. I'll bet you. But I am pretty sure that whatever it was that is over there is either one, well hidden in there, or two, has vacated. If I was a critter and saw two big dogs, or smelt two big dogs in the area, I probably would hightail it too. So, anyhow, this is the weather update. Just so you can see. So, that's all for now. Until next time.
Thank you for coming in. She has a seminar she's got to go to, so she came in to do this for us before she has to leave. Because there's a relationship between Billy Brown and Susanna, the fact that his semen is in her mouth might not be important. But we're bringing Dr. Canary in to discuss the window of time that seminal fluid would still be able to be found so that we can better understand if the presence of Billy's semen is connected to her murder. I had an autopsy report. Doesn't describe any external genitalia injuries and no vaginal trauma. But they did correct.
So, Chaos and Miley up there, yep, up there, down here, have been pointing all morning, and now they're like pooped. So he's down here by his food dish napping, and she's up there napping, so they had a good time in the snow. Okay, since I did not film a good closing clip yesterday, I don't think the vet is going. I just wanted to show you that winter continues here quite crazily. So earlier this morning, this was freezing rain, and now it's snow again, which means underneath this little layer of new snow is a layer of frozen rain. So that's going to make taking Jacob today to work real fun. This is just ridiculous. But it's March, and I hope that this weather does not affect my voice lesson this afternoon, which it probably will, so who knows. So anyway, winter continues. I'll work to get this week's video out, but until next time, bye-bye. Are you two being silly out there? Huh? Are you being silly? What you doing? Oh, sure. You were bothering your brother, and now you've stopped. They'll probably be outside like this for a good part of the day. They were yesterday, and it pooped them out. So pretty with the snow on him. He's so handsome. She's cute, too.